What am I doing? I'm just doing a simple thing like this. Drilling holes in this. Okay. There we go. See, 1 hole, 2 holes, and 2 holes. Just making holes in these things. What are they? They are, what do you call it? Dewalt battery holders. Of course, my Dewalt battery is going to go dead in a minute. But instead of keeping all my batteries on, see what I mean? It went dead. I won't even be able to put the battery holder on the wall because the battery holder is going to be freaking dead. Got a little bit of juice in this one. The juice is the... There's one. Let me do this. Looking down here. Just gonna go like this. That's done. This one's half done. This one's... like this. What am I gonna do it after? I'm going to take this and I'm going to screw them in the wall over there. I'll turn the camera on somewhere. My big plan. These are all done. Pretty deep, done dirt did it. That's got holes in it. This way I can charge them. Hang them up on the wall after, so I know which ones are dead and which ones are charged. I also got to bring my batteries home for the winter because lithium-ion batteries in minus 40 weather suck. Lithium in cold. These batteries are about as useless as tits on a bowl in the winter here. So I bring them to my house. I'm hoping to buy one of those power stack batteries and see how they held up in an unheated garage. Supposed to get like 50% more power, but I hear they're made of lipo lithium polymer, which apparently are more flammable. I don't know how true that is because apparently nobody wants to confirm it. Maybe I'll just take one apart and become a YouTube battery freak who just takes batteries apart. There we go. I think I bought 12 of these. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like drill them out or just drill a hole straight through it. Most of my wood screws are not really self-tapping wood screws. They're just kind of screws. Just kind of screwing around. So anyway, that's done. I will put you on hold, and then when I'm done, I'll maybe take a picture and add it to this just to show you my little... It's not I don't have a small space, about maybe 2 feet. I don't even think they'll all fit. And I'm going to have to find a space for the rest of them, maybe on the wall or something. So stay tuned. I'll try to make a little video or something. I'll show you.